This is DC Trading. Today I have a binary option strategy that I need to show you guys ASAP. This should be used in 2022 because you will win a lot of your, trades. With that being said, if you're new to pocket option, you want to try out the demo, click the link down below. If you already have an account and you want to add live money to your account, make sure to use the code right here for a 25% bonus. You guys don't want to miss that 25% bonus. With that said, if you enjoyed the whole video, make sure by the end of this video to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn post notifications. With that said, let's get right into this video. Hello, my name is Dion Chavez. I run an online crypto trading Telegram and Discord where I teach you how to turn a few $100s into a few $1,000s. Okay guys, before I say anything, make sure to follow me on Instagram, DC_flight421. Also, if you want to check out my other strategies, make sure to go click the link down below or up here, or go check it out on my channel. Also, if you guys are into HFX, Forex, and cryptocurrency, might as well subscribe because that's what we talk about on this channel. With that being said, enough of this talking. Let's get right into this strategy. So let's move over. Today we're going to be talking about this strategy. I need to show you guys ASAP because a lot of traders need to start using this. Beginner traders need to start using this in 2022 so you guys can win a lot of your trades. Yes, guys, it's December 28th. We're 3 days away from the New Year's. And I know a lot of you traders, new traders, you want to start seeing profit. So with that said, I am going to introduce you guys to this strategy if you are new. I know a lot of you old subscribers already know this strategy because I talked about it a lot. But the reason I am talking about it over and over again is because I want you guys to learn, to know, because practice makes perfect. So with that being said, as you guys can see, the strategy is right here. We have two indicators that are very, very important for the strategy. We have the moving averages, two of them. That is key. That is the most important thing for this strategy. As you guys know, the settings is a 4 EMA styles green 1 PX for the first one. Make sure to screenshot it if you're very, very slow. Next one is a 19 EMA style 1 PX, also green. Make sure to screenshot it for the settings so you guys can copy it onto your pocket option demo or live account, whatever. So when is the best time to trade with this strategy? We're just going to be talking about moving averages. Moving averages is very, very important to understand. So as you guys can see, we're going to look at this example right here. These two crossed. As you guys can see, it went upward. And so the best time for you guys to get in a trade is when it goes in between these two lines. As you guys can see, we saw a pullback here. You would have got in, you would have won that. Be patient, guys. You can also use this as resistance. As you guys can see, this is a resistance. If you look at other ones here, as you know, the market is very volatile because of the holidays. But as you guys can see, this is going for a sell right now. Look at the 1 hour, it's going for sells. So the next move would be for a pullback in between these two lines. If we see a pullback in between these two lines, the best bet is to go in for a sell. As you guys can see, I just went in because, well, actually these actually cross. Okay, that was a bad sell. As I said, the holidays, if we lose it, we lose it. That is my fault actually, guys. As you guys can see, the volatile of the holidays is very true, guys. You guys don't want to mess around with it. So if we do win this, we got very, very lucky. this is not a good trade to get in, if I'm being honest. But we're just gonna have to be patient. The reason why is because it went for a sell, but as you guys can see, it's doing whatever it wants right now. Very, very volatile. We just gotta be patient. As you guys know, we got lucky because there was a pullback, and yes, so we're not gonna mess with that right now. As you guys can see, very, very sloppy. We did win that though. Let's look at other ones real quick. As I said, remember, get in between the two lines, as you guys can see right here. So if you look at the 1 hour, it is going for buys. So if I were to pull back right here, I would have got in for a buy, as you guys can see. But it is very late, I believe, right now. As I said, once they cross and you see, let's look at this. See the cross right here went upward, and we had to wait for a pullback right here. Went back up. You can use this as support. Also, this is as support. If it breaks through, if you can see right here, this broke through for a downside. So if it breaks through the downside, it will, make another cross. And the best time to get in for a sell is when it pulls back up here. So you guys can know it pulled back up here. You would have got in, and you would have won the trade. So you guys can see clearly if you look on the 1 hour. This is going for a buy currently, but the way how volatile it is, I wouldn't go in right now. So you guys can see. Just got to be patient. Do not force anything. Remember, guys, you got to be patient. You guys know this is the one we went in earlier. Overall, it's going down now. Okay. So let's see if we can get in on another one. See if you guys would have got in right here. You guys would have been in profits right now. But I'm not trying to risk anything right now. If we look here at the 1 hour, it's going for buys. Okay, I kind of like this one. But the way it's moving, as you guys can see, I don't know if it's a good trade to get in, to be honest. The way it's moving right now. Yeah, see, guys, you get in between these two lines, you will for sure win. As you guys can see, it passed the line, you would have got in for a buy, you would have won that trade easily. We got to be patient. As you guys can know right here, see that? Very, very clear. Like I said, once these two crosses, remember, when the two cross and there's a pullback, you can see pullback, you go in. It's less riskier, but if you want to be a little bit more riskier, you can go with this as a support. As you guys can see, I would have got in right here. It doesn't always work all the time. Remember that, guys. You are going to win 80% of your trades. That's okay. As you guys can see, how volatile it is. But overall, if you guys watch the whole video, the main thing I want you guys to understand overall with this strategy is to buy in between these two lines. You guys can know, as you guys see right here, you bought in between these two lines, you would have won that. If you buy between these two lines, you would have won. That is what I want you guys to understand with this beginner strategy. As you guys can see right here. So with that said, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, turn post notifications. If you have any questions, comment down below or message me on Instagram, DC_flight421, because I will do a more in-depth, because market structure has a lot to do with this strategy. Also the 1 hour. As you guys can see, the 1 hour, this is going for a buy, so I'm looking for buys, not sells on this. So I will do a video if this video gets 100 likes very, very quickly. With that said, make sure to understand one thing: buy in between these two lines when you use this strategy. It's very, very safe. 80% of the time you will win. With that being said, Hope you guys understand a little bit more clear. And with that said, peace, guys. Peace.